Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to turn on Wi-Fi hotspot on Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Qnet Mobile C32. In settings, tap the network and internet. In network and internet, you can see the hotspot and tethering is off. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the hotspot and tethering, and you can see the Wi-Fi hotspot. And okay guys, the Wi-Fi hotspot is off. To turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot, you'll have to do is tap the switch button on the right side to turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot. And okay guys, we have successfully turned on. To change or to see the setting of the Wi-Fi hotspot, okay, you can see below the Wi-Fi hotspot settings and user management. Okay, tap this. And okay guys, here you can see the settings of Wi-Fi hotspot. That's it. We have successfully turned on Wi-Fi hotspot on Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.